Are you ready to absolutely revolutionize how you receive your hard-earned money? Okay, let's dive right into this explainer. Today, we're focusing on a tool that's a total game changer for streamlining your finances, setting up direct deposits straight into your PayPal account.
I mean, seriously, are you tired of waiting for checks to clear or standing in line at the bank? Think about the actual time spent waiting for a physical piece of paper, driving to a branch, and then waiting again for the funds to actually clear. Imagine receiving your money instantly, zero hassle. In the next few minutes, we're going to walk through exactly how to bypass that bank line entirely and get paid seamlessly by leveraging PayPal. Here's our roadmap for today's explainer. We're going to cover the direct deposit advantage, verifying your identity, a step-by-step setup guide, notifying your employer, and we'll wrap up with troubleshooting and a final checklist.
All right, part one, the direct deposit advantage.
Now, the absolute most interesting number in this entire process is 2. Why? Because by using PayPal Direct Deposit, you can actually get your paycheck up to 2 days early, depending on your payer. Since PayPal processes the payment instructions the absolute second they receive them from your employer, instead of holding them until your official payday, you literally get a head start on your bills or, your weekend spending. And beyond just the speed, the other perks are massive. You're completely skipping the physical deposit process. The money just moves seamlessly from the payer to you with absolutely zero setup or maintenance fees. Plus, you get the peace of mind of PayPal's encrypted security, and hey, you're doing the environment a solid too. It's a totally eco-friendly, paperless process. Literally no more printing checks or deposit slips. So it's absolutely crucial to understand exactly what's happening behind the scenes here. Direct deposit is an automated electronic ACH transfer system. Now, while PayPal's actually a fintech company and not a traditional bank, they actually partner with the Bancorp Bank to issue specific routing and account numbers. Basically, this effectively turns your digital wallet into a highly powerful automated receiving account. Moving right along to Section 2, Prerequisite, Verifying Your Identity. Right, so to comply with federal regulations, specifically the Customer Identification Program, you're going to need to quickly verify your identity. It's just to prevent fraud and money laundering. You'll need to provide the basics: your full name, date of birth, physical address, and your social security number or taxpayer ID. Usually, you just snap a photo of your government-issued ID and a recent proof of address, like a utility bill from the last 12 months, and upload it directly to your PayPal dashboard. It's super quick and totally secure. Now, please keep in mind a very crucial distinction here. This direct deposit feature, it is currently restricted strictly to personal PayPal balance accounts. If you are operating exclusively from a PayPal business account, well, this feature just isn't available for you yet. You absolutely must use a personal account in good standing to make this work. Okay, Section 3, our step-by-step setup guide. Navigating the app or the website is honestly incredibly intuitive. First, just tap the Settings gear icon, or you can actually just tap directly on your PayPal balance. From there, select View Your Direct Deposit Info. You'll then get an option to Find Your Employer using PayPal's built-in search. If your company or payroll provider pops up, you can usually connect it automatically. But if not, no worries at all. You can simply view and copy your unique routing and account details to just set it up manually. Now, I really want you to burn this specific 9-digit sequence into your brain. 0311-01279. This is the dedicated Bancorp Bank routing number assigned specifically for inbound ACH direct deposits to your PayPal balance. Look, even if you see other Bancorp routing numbers floating around the internet, 0311-01279 is the exact one you need to ensure your hard-earned paycheck lands properly in your PayPal wallet. Which brings us to Section 4, Notifying Your Employer. What's really great about this is just how adaptable it is to different working styles. Say you're a salaried employee, well, PayPal can actually generate a pre-filled direct deposit PDF form for you right there in the app. You literally just add your digital signature and hand it off to your HR or payroll department. But if you're a freelancer or a gig worker, maybe you're using a platform like Upwork, you just copy and paste that routing number and your unique account number directly into the payment portal of your platform. It perfectly accommodates both traditional and freelance workflows. And you have total flexibility here too. You don't actually have to deposit your entire check into PayPal if you don't want to. As you're setting this up, you can choose to allocate the full 100% of your check, or you can split it up. Maybe send 75%, 50%, or just a specific custom dollar amount directly into your PayPal balance, and leave the rest to go to your traditional checking or savings account. You are in complete control of exactly where your money lives. All right, let's wrap things up with Section 5, troubleshooting, and our final checklist. So if your employer requires verification, you really need to watch out for microdeposits. These are those tiny deposits, usually under $1, labeled a CT Verify. Your employer sends these just to test the connection. You'll just check your PayPal balance, note the exact amounts, and type them into your employer's portal. Second thing, if you're wondering where your first check is, remember, it can take up to 2 full pay cycles for a new direct deposit to actually take effect. So don't panic if your first check after setting this up is still a physical one. Finally, and this is absolutely critical, your payer must be located in the US. If an international entity tries to use this routing number, the transaction will fail. Okay, I've got a fantastic pro tip for you here. This feature goes way beyond just corporate payroll. You can leverage these exact same routing and account numbers to get your IRS tax refunds, state refunds, unemployment, or even Social Security benefits deposited directly into your digital wallet. It is the exact same setup process, and it often gets you those crucial government funds a lot faster.
So here is your final checklist to ensure you've got everything locked in. 1. Verify your identity in the app. 2. Locate that special 031101279 routing number and your specific account number. 3. Submit those details or that generated PDF form to your employer or your gig platform. 4. Keep an eagle eye out for those microdeposits if your employer uses them. And 5. Just sit back and enjoy faster, seamless payments straight to your digital wallet.
Before we go, please note, while we've provided a comprehensive guide to setting up direct deposits via PayPal, this explainer is for informational purposes only. We highly recommend verifying detailed procedures and terms directly with PayPal, as services may update over time. And of course, always consult a financial advisor for personalized advice tailored to a specific situation. So I'd love to know what questions you have about this process or how you plan to use those early paychecks. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. As digital wallets continue to completely bridge the gap between tech and traditional finance, it leaves us with one final thought. Are we actually watching the physical bank account become obsolete?